Mugisa umwe abakazi uri umukigombe cya Women Situation Room nagira ngo mbururo buhereretsere ku mwaka w'2016 hamwe no mwaka w'2021 akabaho ubuvuyo bwinji turi kwihanangiza ibitongore bibyo kwirinda hamwe nabicyo kwataho bona ukutaho buryo ugurebeka ngo mukaruru akuturiye ntuzamu utaba mu miviyo niyemo.
You can even say, after elections of 2021 we continued. That's why we were able to prepare and come here as slightly a little bit earlier. And now we have a pre-election period, and we shall continue. As you even see our program, that we are going to implement here, we will even go beyond the elections of 2026 and even beyond, until we attain peace and tolerance in Uganda, and we are able to maintain it. Thank you.
Umuringo nugogume Florence Butegwa yaharagereza ibitongore bibyo kwirinda bitari bimwe na bimwe mu ihanga ukutama ikitinisa ubwabe bw'abantu ubukaruru akarkwije.
Respect for all is a key component or underlying factor if we want peace. People who feel that their rights are not respected definitely find it they have that anger and being aggrieved. One of the ways in which we deal with that is the engagement that my colleague spoke about, engagement with the duty bearers. We work with the Human Rights Commission, which is the constitutional body that is tasked with maintenance and monitoring human rights.
Bibitiri aho Matia Kajura uri mukuru w'ikibina cy'ubutegetsi cya Uganda People's Congress UPC umucangeki ayitumbetere bitongore bibyo kwirinda abukuru batiriro bwabe babibutegetsi abamwe umbururu.
In the past election and the current situation in the country, many political actors have faced challenges with human rights abuse by very many actors, security, even the government itself. You see the current situation whereby a very strong mentor of many politicians, Dr. Kizza Besigye, he's rotting in jail, and all the circumstances that his rights, his constitutional rights were denied to him.
Umuringo nugogume uri mudumzi wa polisi mu district ya Hoima John Rutagira agira ngo n'abaturage nabo beine kibaruko basakora umukuretaho businze umbwire bo bururu.
Let's embrace peace. Let's make peace. Let's build it to become stronger, and let's keep it. The two steps are okay, but keeping peace calls all of us, regardless of the color, regardless of religion. There is no peace for Muslim, there is no peace for Catholic. There is no peace for Munyangore, there is no peace for Anatoli. It is peace for us all. Embrace peace before election, during the whole process, and even after and for life.
Makuraga gashakwaga ndasaba aba Sky TV agenshonga murembo wa Hoima.